My name is Yuliyana, and I'm a Business Development Director at NextPharma. We are a small molecule CDMO. A topic which came up multiple times during the Congress in the last 2 days is the supply chain disruptions which we have to navigate. We have seen that certain passages have been blocked. There are higher energy prices. This respectively affects the lead times of certain materials and as well as their prices, which will have a lasting effect for the foreseeable future. Therefore, we need to prepare for that. We have to communicate very openly with our partners, and we need to find a way to deal with it. I had some very good discussions in the last 2 days, and I have to say that you can really find the right people. It's a Congress which is well represented not just by CDMOs and sponsors, but you also have technology providers, service providers, and they do bring insightful discussions which help you put things in perspective, not just from your own space, but also from their fields. In 3 words, the Congress was insightful, it was very well organized, and it was certainly good for networking.